I already know you guys are always thirsty for some new products that you could potentially dropship on Shopify. And in today's video, we're going to be doing exactly what the title suggests. We're going to be finding some products that you could potentially sell. Now, keep in mind, Q4 is here and Q4 is the biggest season for buying products. However, this Q4 is different than others. This is the first Q4 where we've been in an official recession. So you should definitely keep that in mind when it comes to the products that you're selling. We're actually going to be using a new software that I just found out about called Sell the Trend, and it's actually looking very promising. So I'm going to be giving you an inside look into the software, and I'm just going to be finding some products that I think are pretty cool, that I think would sell really well. And we're also going to use the data behind it to also back up those claims. Now, one disclaimer I want to say, obviously, when it comes to picking products and whatnot, it really is all about testing. So I wouldn't overthink it too much. I do think in this season, it's important to just take action. And keep in mind, I have a lot of really good insights from managing over $1 million in revenue a month for all of our clients at Arie. And this holiday season, we're also planning a new in-house brand that we're going to be launching with the team. I'll definitely keep you updated on that. But let's not waste any time. Let's try to find some stuff here. So as you see here, we got the dashboard, and right away we see some interesting products. For example, this portable coffee machine. This is kind of cool because yesterday we actually dropped the video on a really cool coffee machine brand that's worth over $40 million. So the product cost here is $74. The selling price is almost $200. That's a fat profit margin, and it's clearly doing really well in terms of reviews. So let's see if we can actually find this. Wow, this app is kind of crazy. It even shows you some of the stores that are selling it. So here's like a general store that's selling this product. Here it shows you the official source. So yes, they are sourcing these products from AliExpress. But damn, look at this, 300 positive reviews. This product is doing really, really well. And it's getting a lot of orders. As you see, you have different plug types. So this is a super clever idea, like straight up a 7-figure brand idea here. Pick one of these countries outside of the US and create a store just targeting those. So just targeting the UK or just targeting Australia, even though as you see, they have 7-day delivery to the US. So this product right here is amazing. So let's just go to the product list here. What's really cool about this is it shows you the estimate of sales that they're getting. So we can actually find products that we see are selling a lot and go from there. So let's see, let's find one that actually has a little bit of potential. So, okay, this one's kind of cool, 24,000. But again, I'm trying to keep in mind some of the things I mentioned about recessions, right? What are some things somebody would still buy even if we're in a recession? Damn, these One Piece cases are so sick. I love One Piece, so that's why I vibe with that. But wow, this lighter is so cool too. Man, this software is a lot better than I expected. So this gives me so many ideas because it's such a wide range of products. Whoa, this is a cool little wireless speaker. It has 20,000 sales from just 100 orders. It's kind of like a tactical Bluetooth speaker. I've never seen something like that. That would work super well in like a survival store type of niche. So that's really cool. I'm trying to find some stuff that's unique here. So obviously you got these super popular dropshipping products like the blackhead remover, you know, this little pet hair remover thing and a diffuser. But these are all washed out products that everybody's seen before. I'm trying to find new things here. A guinea pig carry pouch bag. So this is a very niche down product, but guinea pigs are actually a very popular pet, especially in the US. I know in some countries they're not, but in the US, a lot of people have guinea pigs and they do want to take them places. This would be a really good product idea. It's very original, especially if you made a little guinea pig store. I've been seeing this product on TikTok lately. It's a toe bunion splint. And as you see, this one is popping off. So this would be something that people would buy no matter the time, right? Like it's a health related thing. This would help people with bunions, whether we're in a recession or not. So this is actually a good product idea. Like I've mentioned in other videos, guys, I really do think the biggest room for opportunity in e-commerce is targeting untapped markets, because the US has seen a lot of stuff, and the US is definitely a great place to sell things. But if you want a competitive edge, try targeting a different country, maybe that has a different language, something like that, that just adds a barrier to entry, right? Like not a lot of people are going to be thinking about that since they maybe don't speak that language, etc. We're going to do minimum of 1,000 orders just because I want to start finding some products that have a ton of sales. Okay, so these crossbody bags, we've talked about the bag niche as well. The bag niche is incredible, and there's so many awesome brands in the bag niche, so you could sell some really original bags. By the way, this is a paid software. If you can't afford it, let me know in the comments if you want me to do regular videos like this. Like maybe I could do this twice a month where I just go through some of these paid tools that some of you can't afford and, you know, just explore them for free. Obviously, I'm trying to make sure sure we're all learning and eating on this channel, whether it be for e-commerce, investing, anything, just learning for free. Yeah, I'm a big fan of free education. But anyways, let's continue here. This is another really good one. Self-adhesive ceiling strip for a bathroom. I know that may sound silly, but again, this is a product that people will need no matter the economic state of any country. Even if we're in a global recession, people will still need adhesive to make sure that you're not getting mold in water in places that, water doesn't belong. Gym gloves, that's another really good one right here. Gym gloves are definitely popular, especially because gym people are very passionate. And again, it's something that people would use no matter if we're in a recession or not. Okay, these wireless headphones, that doesn't really fit the criteria, but as you see, they're popping off. They have over 150,000 sales. And I think the reason why is because they're designed similarly to the Apple new headphones. So they're not exactly the same. So I don't think you would get in trouble for selling something like this, but you're capitalizing on the trend of Apple headphones. And that's always a good idea because people love Apple products. And these actually look pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. Clearly they're getting a ton of orders and a lot of really positive reviews. So these are definitely worthwhile to consider. Wow, this makeup set is really cool. So that's another really good product is makeup sets. Makeup sets are super expensive if you guys didn't know. So this is definitely a niche where you could actually be competitive. I remember one of my first winning products was actually a makeup set, but it wasn't even as nice as this one. It was like a mermaid set. It wasn't super scalable, but it definitely made me a lot of good money that I could then reinvest into the business. And this one actually looks really cool. It's like a modern vibe. Again, this doesn't really solve any huge issues besides helping makeup people save a little bit of money while still having an aesthetic set, but you could definitely lean into that angle. So this one wasn't the best product, but it still has some potential in my opinion. Obviously, it really all comes down to testing. These butterfly thongs are doing really good. You may get banned with that on Facebook and whatnot, but that is a pretty good product category because of the barrier to entry, like I said, and it's clearly getting a lot of sales and people love to get freaky even in a recession. So keep that in mind. But this is getting too long. Let me know if you want me to make a video using this tool again. I thought it was pretty cool. I definitely got some ideas from this, so I'm sure some of you did as well. As always, make sure you check out some of the links in the description. Start your Shopify store today, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.